Hello everyone. From today, I will create a video series, a tutorial video series to help you learn how to use Fintechee. Fintechee is a web-based trading platform. It supports automated trading. It's fully automated, so you can run custom indicators, you can run expert advisors, trading robots here. This tutorial video is the first video of the series. Let's learn how to add indicators in today's topic. You can, first of all, you need to open our web trader. Just access our web page and open the web trader. And after that, please click this icon and you can see a drop-down list, and just click the add an indicator menu item and a pop-up dialog will show up, and you can find a list here. And in this list there are a lot of built-in indicators. Just choose the indicator you want to add into the charts. For example, if I add MACD into the chart, just choose MACD. And then we can adjust the parameters. And after that, just click Add an Indicator button. The MACD will be added into the chart, the specific chart. And you can modify the indicator you have added into the chart. So just by click the indicator icon again, and you can find MACD has been added into the menu. Choose the menu item and click Edit button here, and the pop-up dialog will show up again, and then you can adjust the parameters once more. And after you adjust the parameters, just click Modify this indicator again, and you can change the settings of the indicator. If you want to cancel, just click other space of the screen, and the operation will be cancelled. Okay, so it's very simple. If you want to remove the indicator, just click the chart icon again, and you can find the indicator you want to remove, and then choose Remove. Then the indicator will be removed. Okay, very simple, right? Hopefully it can be helpful to your trading. Happy trading every day. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.